Hello and welcome to another video tutorial. Today we will show you how to install the Hideez Client application from an EXE file. We have already downloaded it from the support.hideez.com website, and now we will run the installation file. You have to select the Enterprise version option and check the Windows 10 Bluetooth checkbox if you will use your built-in Bluetooth, or external Hideez dongle if you will use the dongle. Then you must accept the license agreement that you can read by following the corresponding link and click on Install button. Alright, now the installation has completed, so we can launch the client. And what we need to do now is enter the address of our server in the Hideez key tab and save it by clicking the Save button. You will see a yellow server icon in the lower left corner of the application, which means that you will need to approve your workstation on the server.